G'day, welcome to Pay It Forward. Today, of course, is launch day for June Masterclass, and I have created for you all a beautiful frog doll. Now, this is something that I've had on my list for years, and so many of you are big Beatrix Potter fans, just as I am, and certainly Wind in the Willows, and it's all along those sorts of themes. Some really fantastic new things to learn this month in Masterclass, and this particular project is really open to some real self-expression, so I'm really excited to be able to show you. Let's take a closer look. So let me give you an up-close look at my beautiful frog. Now, he is a medium size, so he's a lovely size to work with, and there's so many new things to learn this month that I think you're going to absolutely love. A completely different style pattern. If you've made Humpty, you'll probably remember some of the connection details with this one. Put together in a similar kind of way. He's got a nice flat base. He's very stable, very, very poseable little man. I like him sitting like this. He looks equally good with his hands pulled into the centre in absolute frog pose. He's so lovely. I've had the best time. We have a gorgeous little quilted lily pad mat that we make as well, and of course I give you the 3D flowers to go with that. They are a beautiful touch to make this really an amazing artist collectible. So if you're looking at entering competitions, this piece would do very, very well because it's very unusual. Look at those colours and look at the potential for the colours. Now, I went for one of my favourite combos, which is green and purple. Love green and purple. I love wearing green and purple. But you can imagine the colours that you can do. You can make him quite eccentric. You could also grunge him up and make him in the real browns and neutrals, would be equally amazing. We've got some fantastic new felting around those incredible eyes. He's got lovely lavender eyes, my boy. We get a collar, a lovely tail vest. Let me show you the back. How beautiful is that? And his little detailing that you can take as far as you want to take it. Trust me, as complicated as this looks, this pattern I've been very, very careful to really make it really paint by numbers for you all. So you're all going to get these fantastic results. Love the little lily flowers, and you can make them in all sorts of different colours. So we have a jointed head, jointed eyes. I know, exciting jointed eyes, jointed arms, jointed legs, and we've got, of course, our ball joints at the elbows and the knees. We also make the little shoes, the collar, the additional collar, everything there to learn. Hope you've enjoyed seeing him. I really had a blast with this one. You know, I'm actually quite excited to see if we get any different coloured frogs. I've been trying to think of the frog colours that I would like to see. I would definitely like to see a purple frog. I'd love to see a purple and yellow frog. That would look amazing. I'm sure, and even a blue frog. I'm sure you're going to come up with some incredible things. You always do. Amazing work coming up on our Facebook page. I have to say, just astounding. Like I said, I never thought I would see results like this. It just absolutely makes my my whole job so much easier to see that results are coming through. I'm on a real design high at the moment. I really enjoyed designing Mr. Frog for you, and I really want to step out of the box with that sort of thing. So expect some new characters coming up. I do have a new pattern for you free on Pay It Forward. It's either just dropped or it will very soon, so I hope you all enjoy that. If you have not joined our Facebook page, come along and join us, because you can see everything that everybody's making with my patterns and share tips and tricks, and we just want to see your beautiful work. Thank you so much. I've been watching our Facebook page, and so many people are making things as gifts and donating them and so on, and that's the whole message of Pay It Forward. And also the message of Pay It Forward is to tell other people about Pay It Forward, about this channel, so they can avail themselves of free patterns and projects for them to do. There is so much plagiarism going on. I appreciate you all notifying me and talking to me when you see my patterns being stolen and sold and so on. Don't worry too much about it. We're never going to fight those big people. We just stay on our track and keep on getting that pay it forward message out. The more people you tell about this channel, the less people will buy from those people. So I've just got to learn to run faster, design better, and outrun them. So that's my attitude. So thank you all for your support though, I really appreciate it. Keep on showing us that beautiful work on our Facebook page. I so love jumping in there and seeing it. We've got big new exciting things coming up for you, really new designs, and I hope Mr. Frog is the start of them. So everybody have a fantastic creative week. Make sure you continue to pay all of those good things forward. Till next time, it is hooroo from me.